been asked to find the derivative of z with respect to t if z is equivalent to x cubed y cubed plus y cosine x, where x is equivalent to the natural logarithm of t squared and y is equivalent to the sine of 40. So according to our rules, the derivative of z with respect to t is going to be given by the derivative of the function with respect to x multiplied by dx over dt plus the derivative of the function with respect to y multiplied by dy over dt. The derivative of the function with respect to x, that means I'm treating y as a constant, is going to be given by the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared y cubed. The derivative of cosine is negative sine. Y in this case is a constant, so I'll have negative y sine x. And then I find the derivative of x with respect to t. The derivative of natural logarithm is going to be 1 over this, which is 1 over t squared multiplied by the derivative of the inside, which is 2t. So if I work that out, I'll get this. I can then simplify by that is having the t that is simplify one another, that is t by t will give me 2 over t, and we can also rewrite this so that we have 2 multiplied by t raised to power negative 1, or the inverse of t. We then have the derivative of the function with respect to y, which means I treat x as a constant. So the derivative to this is going to be 3y squared. If I multiply with this, I'm going to have 3x cubed y squared, which is this. This will act as a constant. The derivative of y is going to be 1 times this is going to give me this. Then I go to the derivative of y with respect to t. The derivative of cosine is going to give me cosine of sine is going to give me sine 40. Then the derivative of the inside will give me 4. So I'll multiply 4 with cosine 40. After that, I'm going to replace my values so that my dz over dt is going to be given by this times this is going to be 2 by 3 will be 6, then the t inverse x squared y cubed minus 2t inverse y sine x, then this times this is going to be 12x cubed y squared cosine 40 plus this by this is going to give us 4 cosine x cosine 40. And then I replace my values of x and y so that I can totally differentiate. Upon replacing, this is what I'm going to get. My value for x squared is the natural logarithm of t squared, and the value for y is sine 40. Since y is cubed, we're going to have this one as sine cubed 40. And since x is squared, we're going to have squared here. So we replace all those values, and this is going to be our final answer. It can't be simplified further. So I hope you have learned something from this. Thank you so much, and kindly don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.